Hello again. Now we are going to learn construction of an angle equal to a given angle. I know it sounds confusing, but it is very simple. All we have to do is draw one angle with the help of a protractor and then draw another angle of the same measurement with the help of a ruler and a compass. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Firstly, we will draw an angle with the help of a protractor. So drawing a straight line segment. Now, how do we draw with the help of a protractor? Remember, this point, this over here, should be at the starting point of your line segment over here, and the 0 should coincide with your line segment. From here, if my 0 is coinciding with the which 0? Over here. This arc is 180 degrees, so I'm not going to look at the angles written over here on the upper side. I will read the angles which are written on the lower side. Why? Because my 0 is on the lower side. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's draw 50-degree angle over here. Okay, so I will draw 50-degree angle here. This is my 50-degree angle. I write over here 50 degrees. I can name this angle as A, B, C. Again, naming should be as per the question given. Okay. In case if nothing is specified in the question, then yes, of course, we can take the letters of our choice. Now we have to draw an angle measuring exactly same like this 50 degrees with the help of a ruler and a compass now. So let's draw. Firstly, again, draw the line. Okay, drawn the line. The first step over here is the previous angle which you have drawn with the help of a protractor. Keep the pointed edge on the vertex and lower this distance, maybe this much. Keep a random distance, you can keep it approximately this much, and draw an arc cutting both these arms. Notice I'm holding my compass over here. Okay, now I have drawn an arc cutting both these arms, arm BA and arm BC. I get 2 points of intersection, one over here, the other over here. Now, what do I do? Once I have drawn this arc with the help of my compass, I have to lift my compass without changing any measurement. I have to keep it on this starting point now of this line segment. Make sure we keep it carefully. Okay, you can press the pointed edge a little so that it doesn't slip off. And now I will draw another arc over here of the same measurement. Okay, same measurement. Do not touch the bars when you are drawing an arc. Never touch the arcs, the bars. Now lift your compass. Check the distance. Keep it on the first intersection point over here, and check the distance of the second intersection point. Here, if you notice carefully, I am getting it. Still not there. A little more. Yep. Notice it's exactly the same distance. I have measured it. I have to lift my compass now and keep it in the same position over here on the arm over here at the first intersection point, and draw an arc like this over here. I'll repeat once again. Keep it on the first intersection point, take the measurement of the second intersection point, lift your compass, keep it on the intersection point of this line segment and the arc and cut that arc over here. Now you notice you get a second intersection point over here. What do we have to do? We have to draw a line segment. This is actually going to be the second arm of our angle from here to here. This is my second arm. I can call this angle as P, Q, R. Okay, let's measure the angle, how much it is, and here we see it is exactly 50 degrees. Notice, that means I have constructed a perfect angle measuring equal to the previous angle. Let's mark it over here, 50 degrees. Okay, hope the construction is clear. Again, if any doubt, please contact me. I will surely explain you once again. All the best.